Hi guys, in front of me is Nokia G60 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first you need to enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then find and select security and click on fingerprint. Let me just decrease a bit the brightness. Okay, and now all you have to do is to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. And it can be a letter. Then click on next and re-enter this pattern to confirm. And then manage your notification content. I would like to hide everything. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. So the sensor is located at the back cover of your device right here. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on the power button actually till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.